Hello at welcome back to the second channel. So for this video, I will be teaching you how to play Breakeven by the Script on a ukulele. So requested song po ito ni Kedi Alimo. So salamat sa pag-request ng kanta. So first, grab your ukulele. Tune it to standard tuning. And let's begin. So, una tayo sa intro. So, sa intro, first note dito sa 3rd fret ng C na string, then 5th fret ng A na string. So, gagawin ito, ipa-pluck nyo ito twice. Okay? Then, angat nyo dito sa 3rd fret ng A. Then, same lang yung A na string sa 5th fret. Okay? So, dito, gagawin ito 3 times. Okay? Then after nito, dito sa 1st fret ng E na string, then open string ng A. So twice lang ito. Then open string ng G, then 1st fret ng A. Okay, so balik tayo. Then sa last part ay steady lang dito sa open string ng G at 1st fret ng A. Okay, ganyan lang. Then, pasok nyo sa verse. So, sa verse, chords ay G minor, F, B flat, then C minor. Then, for the strumming pattern, ay ganito lang. Down, up, 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 down, up.
Still I'm barely breathing. Spraying to God I don't believe it. 'Cause I got time when she got freedom. It's when a heart breaks and I don't break even. Best days will be some of my worst. She finally met a man that's gonna put her first. Well, I'm wide awake, she's no trouble sleeping. It's when the heart breaks, now it don't break even, no.
Then sa chorus ay E flat, B, F, then G minor.
It's when the heart breaks, now it don't break even, no. What am I supposed to do when the best part of me was always you? What am I supposed to say when I'm all jumped up and you're okay? I'm falling to pieces. I'm falling to pieces.
Sa bridge ay G minor, F, B flat, E flat.
I'm falling to pieces. guess I took the pain. I tried to make sense of what little remains. Oh, she left me with no love and no love to my name. Still alive, but I'm barely breathing. Spray to the God that I don't believe in. Science, how will she get freedom? It's been heartbreaks and it don't break you.
So yun ang kantang Breakeven by The Script. So salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.